Here we go. In the car, headed out. Splash RV. April Fool's Day, April 1st. It's about 5:20 and we were supposed to leave at 4. It's okay.
That's per the norm.
So we're headed out to Milton, Florida. Splash RV. Never been there before, first trip. You excited?
Yes.
The baby fell asleep. She really excited. All right, here we go.
Yes.
Probably like 3 hours.
Yes.
We made it.
Here we go. Please enter.
Oh, it's green.
Wow, it's Christmas.
Our window is very dirty. Woo! Okay. All right. We here.
We're here.
We here. Yay! Getting it all set up. Super nice park. Tutu, it's your first camping trip. It's your first camping trip, Tutu. It's your first camping trip.
I think she thinks she's at the bed.
Oh, hey! Tutu! Hey, Tutu! Oh, we got one riding scooter here. Y'all helping set up? Huh? Oh, she's like, I want to climb. Climb. Look how cool. You can stay in these covered wagons. So cool. Walk to the fountain. Teapot.
A teapot.
Teapot.
Mrs. Teapot.
Tea party.
Teapot.
A short, fat teapot.
Yeah.
Teapot. I'm a little teapot.
I'm a little
Your turn.
I thought y'all was getting these ones.
Oh. Oh my goodness.
Right my back. I was like,
You do it, girl. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Ooh. Ooh. Get it, girl.
Oh, Abby turn. Abby turn.
Ooh. Every turn. Turn. Oh, Daisy.
Granny turn.
wait.
Oh, what is this?
Slow motion.
Got some.
Batman. Slow running.
No.
Jogging. Skipping.
Okay.
I don't know what's going on right now.
Give me another hand.
Stepping on the moon.
Stomping.
The first moon landing. Astronaut.
Yeah.
Granny's turn.
1,
2. Counting.
surprise! Surprise!
I didn't even start doing it yet. And Granny went. What'd she do? I don't know what it was. That was like this, like start. And Granny was like.
Good morning. Good morning. April 2nd. We're walking to the swimming pool area. Slide. Adley's riding her scooter on the side thing. Here we are. We weren't very far from it, so that was good. We didn't have to walk very far, huh? Look, there's the wagons. Covered wagons.
And there's a teepee.
Oh yeah, and one big teepee. Here we go.
It's cold. It's cold.
It's cold? You gotta jump in. Oh, there's kids coming now. First time here. Getting in the lazy river. out first. Really? You're going on the blue.
It's so cold! It's so cold! Whoa! Scraped my knee on the concrete.
Cold, cold. You gotta go fast. Y'all went fast. Alright, this place is super nice. There's an adult only area. There's a cornhole. There's another pool over here that's heated. For families. And the baby's gonna get in. Is it cold? It is real cold. Girl. Eating girl. Going on right here, and some coloring going on over here.
Found the bathhouse.
These are the nicest bathrooms. Look at this. Look. This is so nice. It smells good. Wow, smell this. Look at this towel. This is real nice. Real nice, real nice. Ooh, so pretty.
Checking it out.
Checking it out.
Yeah, on this.
That was some football. Ooh, we found a pickleball. What the baby likes to do. You painting the rocks? You painting the rocks? Woo! Here we go. Ooh, got lots going on over here. Alrighty, let's go see. Whoa,
Does not smell at all.
nothing's in here.
That'd be cool if this was like a cabin.
Cool though. Super cool. Alright, we're ventured out. Gonna have dinner at Culver's. Nowhere new, just new location. Here we go.
That's all I'm taking a picture on your phone today so you can have this.
How's it doing? Good?
I bet you cheese.
Mine's good.